So here we have the Ford Fiesta EcoBoost Z-Tech on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot, and then we'll work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the boot, you'll see we've got a 60/40 split folding rear seat and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's what we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. The seats are in great condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. At the bottom in the middle, we've got the fuel gauge, and then above that, you can see the total miles on this car, which are 24,294. There's a button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we give that a push, that will give us various different bits of fuel economy information up in that area, and eventually back round to the beginning again. We're back out to the steering wheel. On the left-hand side, we have stereo controls and voice activation for the phone. So hit that button in the middle and ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list. It can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is, of course, once you paired up your phone, which is done using the stereo and screen over in the center here. Before we come back to the phone, you can see that this car's got DAB radio. It also has AM and FM as well. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. There's a CD player, which you can see just at the top of the unit there. But you can also connect up a USB device, and you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. And all the buttons to do that are here, and you've got your main volume for the stereo in the middle. Below that, we've got the air conditioning for the car. So fan speed is adjustable on the left, temperature on the right, direction of the airflow with this dial. Then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, and then the same thing to turn it off again. We've also got a proper heated front screen as well as the heated rear screen. And then this button, this is for the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. Hit that button if you'd rather turn that system off. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox. Down here we've got a 12-volt charging socket for your phone or a satellite navigation, and the USB input that I mentioned a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.